Hello, Artem here, and today I will show you the GoTagsEditor software that is designed to help to integrate new tags to the OneClick software and to adjust them to make tests and adjustments quicker. So basically the software is launched through the GoTagsEditor file, and what we have here is the view similar to OneClick software, but we can see the text. We can edit the text. Basically we want to like live view, like it would be shown immediately. No need to import the text file and reopen it with the software. So just is in place. It's shown in place. So basically you can also view the front and back side, large first row, and so okay, let's assume we have the PLT file. So once we have the PLT file from the CorelDRAW or similar, so I have some PLT files here, so I can open them in this software. Again, I press File, Import PLT file. Import PLT file. So once it's imported, you can see that it has the black main path, so the outlines of the shape, and also it will have a small keep out path that is shown in red. The one that is shown in red, it won't be printed. It's just for the reference. So what we have here is, first of all, we see that if this is printing area, it's somehow big enough. So, but this is done intentionally, and this behavior is controlled by this checkbox, zoom single tag. Once we check it off, it shows the real size of the tag. So this checkbox is just for viewing the tag and making more precise corrections. What we want to do next is to adjust text a little bit lower because it's too high, I believe. It's too high, so I adjust text. You can adjust text by using this control from text position adjust. The DX1 is left and right respectively, so if we like you see that the positive value moves to the right and the negative value will move to the left respectively. So we want to keep it centered, so I will leave it as 0. But I wanted to move the text a little bit down. For this purpose I will adjust DY1. So I moving it down, you see that now the text occupies as much place as possible for this tag. Basically, I think it should be fine. Yeah. So I can look at the back, And if for now it's fine, but if I want to adjust the back position, I can also like move it a little bit lower with dx2 and dy2 with back text position adjust. So for now I see it's fine, but I know that I have a small border around the tag. For this reason I want to shrink it a little bit. I want to shrink text a little bit, so it will be a little bit shrinked down and not occupy so much space. That's why I will, let's say, make like small corrections. This coefficients, overall tag correction and separate text correction, they make the tag shrink or expand by some coordinates. So you see that if I say expand it, it will expand by x lines and y lines. So for this tag, this is needed then when you see that the tag is too big or too small. You can correct. I can shrink it by y side. You can see that it is shrinking now. So basically I don't want to shrink it right away right now. So the defaults are 1.30. So let's leave it as is. That's no correction. No correction means 1 and 3 zeros. I shrink text a little bit to respect the border around the tag. So I think that I will be satisfied with this position. And next, after I'm satisfied, I can penalize it, so I can like specify how much tags should be there on the panel. Let's say it will be 3 rows and 3 columns. So once I'm satisfied, I need to save the tag file. Okay, it was like, so basically I will delete the tag, and basically I want to save it to the folder where OneClick software is situated, is placed, and I will name it like my scallop. So I need to memorize this name because later it will be used to control the text in the real software, in the OneClick software. So okay, I save it. You can see that the name changed, my scallop tag, and that's the final name of the tag. So I go to the OneClick software, and you see that I have placed a folder named tags in there, and I have saved this file here. I name it my scallop tag. And what I do next, I'm going to create a data file. So basically I will use one of the file I have. So let me find it. Like I load tsv. So okay, yeah. Uh, I, so I will delete everything and I will enter the TC file here, and the first name of the tag I will name it my scallop. So my scallop. Then the size of the text is not respected. So it can be large or small or extra small, it doesn't matter. Everything depends on the shape. So the shape is the same as the file name here, my scallop tag, and it should be matched. With my scallop with the same file name. So okay, once I am done with this, I am going to launch the OneClick software, the new version, and load that file. Yeah, let me find it. It should be here. Okay, so I open this file, and you see I can see this my scallop tag in the OneClick software. But for example, I don't want to print one tag. I'm going to print like 9 tags, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm going to change something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, so to see the difference. Okay, yeah, and I load the file, and you see that all 9 tags are printed correctly. So basically that's how it works. Okay, it seems that it doesn't show two sides because it's like I have only front text in my file. So to see some result, I need to enter some back text like back one. I didn't specify the back text for them, that's why I can't see the back text. So I have back text now. I need to reload the file, and basically I have now front and back. Yeah. So basically that's how you import the tags. Also, I have to mention that once you create the tags file, you need to close and then reopen all copies of OneClick software. So close and reopen all copies of OneClick software. So basically let's review once again. You open GoTagsEditor, you edit the tag here, you can review it, make all adjustments, make corrections if needed, and penalize it, make rows count and columns count respectively. Then you save the file, save the tag file, and you can export or save tag file and copy it to the tags folder that resides in OneClick software folder, and after this you can just call this tag or use this tag by the name, by the shape name. So the shape name respects the file name of the tag file. Size doesn't matter, color doesn't matter, and here goes the text. So if you have questions, feel free to ask. If you need some updates, you're welcome. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. This was Artem. Bye bye.